Chapter 3, Enactment of Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 (RERA). In view of various issues plaguing the harmonious development of real estate sector and to protect the interest of the home buyers, need for specific legislation was being felt for a long time, which culminated in enactment of Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 (RERA). Genesis of RERA, a concept paper on legislation for regulation of real estate, was prepared in 2008. However, due to various reasons, it could not see the light of the day. Thereafter, in 2014, that is nearly about 6 years after, work on proposed legislation recommenced with great fervor. After detailed deliberations and consultations with all stakeholders, the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 (RERA) was passed in both the houses of the Parliament in March 2016. Certain sections of RERA were notified with effect from 1st May 2016 and remaining sectors from 1 May 2017. RERA, withstanding the legal scrutiny, the constitutionality or legality of the provisions of the RERA was challenged through various writ petitions in various high courts. Accordingly, Honorable Supreme Court of India, by an order dated 4 September 2017, passed its directions to High Court of Judicature of Bombay to take up the connected matters together and assign the cases to a particular bench for expeditious decisions of the matters within 2 months. Accordingly, in line with the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, the controversies involved in the present petition has been authoritatively concluded by the Honorable High Court of the Bombay via its judgment dated 6th December 2017, and has held various sections of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 as constitutional, valid, and legal. The key provisions of the RERA include: RERA was enacted to ensure regulation and promotion of real estate sector in an efficient, transparent, and accountable manner, and to protect the interest of home buyers. This transformative legislation seeks to address vital issues of fair transactions, timely delivery, and quality construction through speedy adjudication of disputes. This thus empowering the home buyers. 2. Enactment of RERA marked the beginning of a new era in real estate sector and a step towards the reforming the sector, encouraging greater transparency, citizen centricity, accountability, and financial discipline. Establishment 3. Establishment of regulatory authorities, adjudicating officers, and appellate tribunals for speedy dispute resolution to ensure faster resolution of the dispute. Each state or UT, that is Union Territory, has to establish its own real estate regulatory authority and appellate tribunal, and also appoint adjudicating officers. For faster disposal, the cases are to be decided within 60 days from the date of application or appeal. Applicability of the RERA. RERA extends to residential and commercial real estate. It applies to both private and public bodies engaged in sale. 5. Mandatory registration of projects. Under the provisions of the RERA, home buyers' interests are protected as only all the projects above 500 square meters and above 8 apartments registered with the regulatory authority can be launched, thereby obviating possibility of any misrepresentation or false promises by the developers. Registration of real estate agents. Now, all agents dealing in real estate projects also needed to register with the respective state real estate regulatory authorities. No deposit or advance to be taken by the developer without first entering into agreement for sale with home buyer. 7. The project details to be furnished before registration. At the time of registration of the project, developer has to furnish specific details related to project, sanctioned plan, layout plan, and specifications of the proposed project, pro forma of the allotment letter, agreement for sale and conveyance deed proposed to be signed with home buyers, number, type, and the carpet area of the apartments and garages, time period within which project is to be completed. 8. Separate bank account for each project. 70% of the amount collected from the home buyers for a project must be maintained in a separate bank account and only be used for construction of that project only and land cost. Withdrawal of money from this account shall be done after certification of engineer, architect, and chartered accountant in regards with of project completion. And the 9. Online information of registered projects. Through the online portal, the home buyers are empowered to take the informed decision to buy their dream homes as well. Further, promoter has to quarterly update the relevant details of the project along with the project status. 10. Mandatory mentioning of the RERA registration number. Developers have to mention RERA registration number in each of his advertisement or prospectus. 11. Equal treatment for home buyers and developers. Developers are now legally obliged to pay similar rate of interest to home buyers in case of delay. 12. Formation of resident association. Developers have to enable the formation of association of home buyers or residents, and after paying all outgoings execute a registered conveyance deed for common areas in favor of association of home buyers. 13. No change in project layout without consent of the home buyers. Developers cannot do alteration or addition in the sanction plans, layout plans, and specifications of the project layout without the previous written consent of 2/3 of the allottees or home buyers. 14. Refund in case of delay. If developer fails to complete the project as per the terms of the agreement for the sale, the home buyer can either seek refund of paid amount along with interest or ask for interest for every month of delay till the handing over of the possession. 15. Real sorry 15. Penal provisions. RERA provide strict penal provisions of imprisonment in addition to provisions for refund, interest, and penalty in case of non-compliance by developers, allottees, and agent. RERA implementation status till 10 July 2021. Other than West Bengal and Nagaland, 34 states or UTs have notified rules under RERA. 30 states or UTs have set up real estate regulatory authorities. 28 states or UTs have set up real estate appellate tribunal. Regulatory authorities of 27 states or UTs have operationalized their websites under the provisions of the RERA. More than 67,313 real estate projects and approximately 51,895 real estate agents have been registered under RERA across the country. More than 70,001 complaints have been disposed of by the real estate regulatory authorities across the country.